Today I'll be using the ArmorAll wheel cleaner to clean the dust, grime and dust off the wheels of my Tiguan, and it claims that it will work in 30 seconds. So let's put this to the test and see how it goes. This is the wheel, what it looks like at the moment. It is covered in dust and grime and all the brake dust. I will use the Armor wheel cleaner, spray it and wait for 30 seconds. And let's see what the results look like. Spray settings need to be on a mist. There's another option to put it on a stream, but I will choose the mist option so it covers a bigger area, and you don't waste the cleaner that much either. Need to make sure the wheel is cold, not warm or hot. So it's been parked overnight, haven't used the car, so it's pretty cool. I'll still wash it with water. Now I have washed the wheel, I will spray the Armor cleaner on it. "30 seconds almost, and I will wash it with a gentle spray of water. It has taken some of the, actually quite a bit of dirt and grime, but I will let it dry to see the actual results. There's some water as well on there, which I need to, the instructions tell you to wipe it off with a clean cloth, but I'll do it once the water runs off this wheel. Looks like it has done a job, but we'll wait. So the dirt is still there, as you can see. Hasn't been completely cleaned. So what I will do now is actually I'm gonna get a rag and with a bucket of water and try to clean it off and see how it goes. So I'll be using this hard brush as well, just to get any dirt which is still sticking on it. So even though it didn't take all the dirt and grime off, with the rag and water, it is very easy to wash it and clean it. So that's actually a bit of a positive. I'll use the brush now. So there you go, guys. I've just finished off cleaning my wheels using the Armor wheel cleaner. It really didn't do the job as it said on the instructions, but it did help lose the dirt and grime on the wheel, and it took me only maybe a minute of just using the wet rag to completely clean it off. so I wasn't expecting that it will be 100% clean, so which was the case, but I'm not too dissatisfied. So for me, it's a thumbs up for the Armor wheel cleaner. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.